Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So Tommy is here and today I'm going to show you how to install any Android applications on your Mac, M1 or Intel. The reason why I made these videos because my latest videos about install any iOS applications on your Mac M1 got pretty popular, so I guess there are portions of you guys want to know how to install Android app as well, right? So the software we're gonna use today called Android Studio. This software is mainly used by Android application developers for them to test the Android app, also build their app. But we can also use this app building a virtual machine or virtual device in order to download Android applications. Okay, so let's get started. Just click to download Android Studio and click conditions, and there's two options over here, right? In my case, I'm gonna select the Mac with Apple chip, which designed for better performance, I guess. So as you see, we are successfully download the application. So I'm just gonna open it and drag it to the applications folder. Alright, right after you heard that sound, that means you are successfully installed. And just double click to the applications and you see it's very quick to open the dashboard. So we have quite a few options over here. You can create a new projects, which mainly used for developers, or you can open the new folders or get from VCS. So by clicking to more action and then click to virtual device managers. So in this dashboard, you will have the ability to create many different virtual devices. So to create a new device, you just click to create device, and as you see, we have different categories over here. We have phone, tablets, OS, desktop, TV, and other things. But I want you to focus on phone category. And just take a closer look over here. We have a different device name, but for downloading Android applications, you only select the device which have a Play Store icon and also have a highest resolutions. So in this case, the Pixel 4, which had the Play Store and have the highest resolution, so I will select that and click next. So on the system image, select this system image, which is Tiramisu Privacy Sandbox. This one I tested and it's worked pretty well. And after select that, just click next, and you can name it whether you want and select the startup orientations. I will select portrait, and then on the advanced setting, you can see there's other options. You can increase the SD card internal storage. You can moderate here because it's a virtual machine, right? All right, so just click finish, and there you go. You will have the new virtual device in the device managers. And because I created this one earlier, so I'm gonna start this one by clicking to the play button right over here, and super quick is open the pop-up, and what you have to do next is just click to the power buttons to power, like just like the real device, right? So on this virtual device, you're gonna use your mouse cursor to move as your fingers. You can roll it down to set your internet, and also rotate. If you play game, just make sure to turn on these options, and just go to Android App Store, and that which is called Google Play, and download as usual any application which you like. And on the right hand side, you can see there's some customized physical buttons like on the middles if you're using Android phone, so you get familiar, right? It also have a hint here. On the middles there's the home buttons, and this one I believe is a back buttons, and this one is overview, which you can delete it by just sliding that up, right? So I already download the PUBG Mobile, so I gonna open it for you to see. And you can drag the window and make it bigger, so it's better for you to playing game, right? So just to explain some of the questions you guys ask in the iOS videos, why you guys getting banned after logging the PUBG Mobile main account to the Play Cover app. That is because the Play Cover applications is the mobile game simulator for anyone who using Mac want to play mobile games. So PUBG is very easy to detect that, and that's why they warn you not using that virtual machine to playing game. So the only way you can play game through that without banning is just play as guest. Don't ever log in to any your main account, you will get banned. There's other solution for you, which is this one. You can lock your main account, it doesn't matter, they don't ban you, because this one considered to a real device. But there's come up with the problems is it is really hard to control because you will use your mouse cursor. You cannot use a key mapping, or there's any way I don't know yet, but up to now you will use your mouse as the main cursor, so it's feel pretty hard to kind of playing, moving at the same time, right? So I think this is the end of the videos, and I hope you enjoy it. This one is not a idea to playing game. I think you play. I think Play Cover is better options, but again, I think this video gonna have anyone who want to try Android applications on MacBook, and I hope you like the videos. Make sure to subscribe to the channels and like or share to your friend. Thank you so much for watching, and keep in touch.